Pozdrav svima, danas ćemo igrati FIFA 14 demo verziju. Nadam se da ćemo uskoro dobiti i full verziju, ali za sada samo demo, pa da vidimo kako to izgleda.
EA Sports, it's in the game.
Opa, evo ga. Mali problemi samo sa joystickom. Sad da namestim ja kako meni ovo odgovara. Ovdje sprint, shoot. Znači u principu slično je kao ova FIFA 13. U principu nije loše, sviđa mi se kako izgledam, šta ima od tima, ima samo ovako Manchester City, Tottenham, Borussia, Milan, Paris Saint-Germain, Barcelona, Red Bull, Boca i to je to. Koga bi mogao da uzmem? Evo, ne znam. Stavit ću Barcelonu. Sviđa mi se meni kako je napravljen. Vidite, ima to ovdje ovako. Ajmo na kick-off. A može Barcelona, Milan. Da vidimo postavu kako izgleda. Mogu bi Fabrega sada ubacim. To bi bilo to. Da vidim da li može ovdje nešto se menja. Aha, ovo ne može da se menja, može samo da 3 minuta. Ako uopšte može za 3 minuta nešto da se uradi. Aha, imate ovo. Pa da vidimo.
Today it's Barcelona against AC Milan. So without further ado, we're off to the new camp. Here's your commentary team, Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
Hi there, I'm Martin Tyler. Alan Smith is with me. I'm sure that's a fine game for you today. And this referee is an experienced one.
Opa, nije loše.
Good forward play from them.
Dobro, lepo sam namestio kontrole. Nekako mi se malo čini kao gameplay da je malo spor, ali možda to samo demo verzija. Nije loše. Sviđa mi se kako se centrira. Da, nisam isprobao da li ima onih trikova kao i u ostalim. Aha, može.
play now. If nicked off the player and it's out of
Dobro, znači slične su, kontrole su stvarno slične, iste su kontrole kao i ostale.
Xavi. Here's Fabregas. Mate. In quickly the forward. Here's an opportunity. Messi slipped past his marker. He's got space. Got to be.
Opa, odbrani.
Great save. Montalivo. Here he is with a chance. Challenges for the ball. Can he turn away from the challenge here? On towards Messi. Great chance.
Ali ovo se ne brani. Opa, ne znam kako sam ovo uspio da uradim, ali nema veze.
Absolutely brilliant by Lionel Messi.
Well, he's so skillful, Martin, and he's also so consistent, and that's what the top players are.
Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0.
Uskoro trebalo da nam stigne i demo verzija PES-a, ali čini mi se da je FIFA bolja svakako.
He's got past him easily.
Kao i do sada. Mada ovo mi je malo nekako sporo mi deluje, ovaj gameplay.
Tries his luck.
Uf.
Credit for shooting, but it wasn't a very good shot. Milan trying to get into their stride here. Good reading of the play,
Mada
anticipating the
PES ima novi engine, ali ne, izgleda da imaju samo 20 stadiona, pošto im je EA Games pokupio licence.
Mario Balotelli.
Opa.
Xavi. Pedro. He's in the clear. Oh! And the goalkeeper saved it.
Ju šta ja radim? Offside. Ja nisam normalan, ali ja
Raised the flag for offside.
Yeah, you look at it, there's no doubt about it. He went too early there.
That's half-time. Signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score. No sign really which of these two sides is going to pull away. They're both striving hard to do that with the number of shots that they've had.
Aha, ovdje sad i piše šta je bilo.
Just be decided on which goalkeeper's in the better form.
So we reach half-time. 1-0 the score with Barcelona leading. Let's take a look back at the highlights from that first half, and then we'll be straight back to your commentary team for the rest
Ovo
of the
mi
match.
se mnogo više sviđa.
Well, they're still trailing and they need to do something now if they want to get back into this game. Maybe some fresh legs will do the trick. Well, so far so good for Barcelona, leading at half-time.
Malo Neymar skill.
Crosses in. Messi!
Da, Messi glavu.
Brilliant header! Barcelona have put the ball in the net.
Well, he's got a track record of that. On his left side, he's so dangerous. The timing was great and the bravery to get ahead of his man.
There was some header. Now it's 2-0. El Shaarawy came in with a challenge.
Opa, sad će oni meni da daju go.
Through the middle. Montalivo. People will come out and collect that.
O, trči bre.
Good strong challenge. Jordi Alba. Met by the... And he goes for goal.
Uf.
Montalivo.
Nisam probao, moram da ispravam šute malo iz daljine kako ide.
It's with De Jong.
Lol.
Here's for the ball. That's Fabregas. He's got space. Oh, well, the keeper got a touch to it to make the save. Corner now for Barcelona. Well, there's going to be an alteration now, and with the team trailing, you can understand why he's going to make it. And the goalkeeper well placed to deal with the header.
Yeah, that was as easy as you like for him.
O, treba sam prazno da mu pustim pas.
Now here's a chance for a counter-attack. Can they make anything of it? Abate. Came in with the challenge and the ball broke free.